So here we have a worksheet on patterns, and we're talking about cores again. It says circle the core. Remember, the core is the first time we see the full first part of the pattern before it gets repeated. So they've done this first one for us, and we can see it's small triangle, big triangle. This is the core with only 2 terms in it because this chunk then gets repeated and so on. Small triangle, big triangle. Repeated, small triangle, big triangle. Repeated, small triangle, big triangle. So the core is the first time we see that pattern. Sometimes it might have 2 terms in it, might have 3, might have 4 terms, 5 terms, depends how big the pattern is. Let's take a look at this next one. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. We can see what the pattern is. The core is the first time we see the pattern. Circle, triangle. This is the core because this just gets repeated and repeated and repeated. Let's take a look at the next one. Circle, heart, circle, heart, circle, heart, circle, heart. Our core is circle, heart. That's the first time we see the pattern before it then gets repeated and repeated and repeated. Here we've got a pattern that goes A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Our core is A, B, because this core then just gets repeated, repeated, repeated. White triangle, black triangle. White triangle, black triangle. White triangle, black triangle. White triangle, black triangle. Our core has got 2 terms, 1, 2. It's white triangle, black triangle. That's our core right there, because that just gets repeated again and repeated again and repeated again. White triangle, black, white triangle, black, white triangle, black. Our core is the first part. All right, here we've got something a little different. White rectangle, black rectangle. White rectangle, black rectangle. White rectangle, black rectangle. This time we've got white rectangle, black rectangle. We have 3 terms in our pattern. 1, 2, 3. That core right there then gets repeated and so on. Let's take a look at this pattern. Triangle, 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 circle, circle. Triangle, 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 circle, circle. Triangle, 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 circle, circle. Well, we've got quite a big core here. It is triangle, 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 circle, circle. All of that is the core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in it because it gets repeated and repeated again. That's the core the first time we see the full pattern. Let's look at this one. Triangle, circle, heart. Triangle, circle, heart. Triangle, circle, heart. Triangle, circle, heart. Our core at the front is triangle, circle, heart. 3 terms. That triangle, circle, heart gets repeated again. Triangle, circle, heart gets repeated again. Triangle, circle, heart gets repeated again. Triangle, circle, heart. All right, that's the core. White circle, black circle, black circle. 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 Our core, these first 3 right here. White circle, black circle, black circle. Then it gets repeated and repeated and repeated. So this is our core. Those are cores in a pattern.